What up? What up? Tell the people to say what up.
Are you filming right now?
Yeah, I'm filming right now. What you want to tell them, Terry? Terry always be a smart ass in the group. What you got to tell them?
I just wanted to know that you talked to them about Terry Warfield today.
they ain't ready for that side of it.
Let me tell y'all something, man. Some of your favorite YouTubers. Hey, man, that's all I'm saying.
Hey. Oh, okay. All right, we straight. We got the lighting. Good. All right, what up, y'all? So wanted to do a quick video real quick, just talking about some of the things that I'm personally going to be doing here on the channel here within the next couple of months, right? So first things first is I want to talk about August, right? So August is going to be a month that is going to be dedicated straight for creator-like content. So I want to create some content that's going to be just kind of giving you guys some of the backstory, some of the behind the scenes type of everything that goes on when it comes to creating a video. Also giving you guys information on everything that I've learned as far as this journey on being a creator, right? Because there's so many things that I have learned. There's so much stuff that I've learned within this time frame, as far as, you know, how to actually use my camera, or how I actually come up with the ideas for the titles for my videos, how I come up with my thumbnails, you know, just a plethora of information, man, that I plan on giving out to you guys. Also, I'm going to be letting you guys in on, hold on, is that my package? Is that my package? My dog barking? No, it's not my package. I'm waiting on the M1 Mac Mini to come. I'm talking about that in another video, but I want to talk about just kind of the real side of YouTube, as far as, you know, some of the things that you guys should look out for, some of the things that I've experienced when it comes to working with brands, and the right way you should be working with brands, and not the way that you guys typically are seeing it out there live to people. Hold on, I'm actually getting a call. So one thing y'all don't know, man, when it comes to my guys, CJ and Terry, like, we really talk literally every single day. I kid you not, this is literally them calling me right now. Let me answer this joint real quick. Yo, I'm filming a video, man. What's up? Hey, they ain't got the people right here, man. I'm filming a video. What up? Tell the people to say what up.
Hey, bro.
Man, I'm filming this video, man. I'm talking about, like, this channel update, just talking about, like, just some of the things that I'm getting ready to.
Oh, the changes coming?
Yeah, basically just giving the real, telling the people what's up. So yeah, that's what I'm working on.
Are you filming right now?
Yeah, I'm filming right now. What you want to tell them, Terry? Terry always be a smart ass in the group. What you got to tell them, bro? I know you got something smart to say.
I just wanted to know that you talked to them about Terry Warfield today.
I left that out, but I promise you, it will be in the video.
That's what's up, man. So what, you telling them about the changes?
I'm telling them about the changes, man. I'm telling them about they ain't ready for that side of it.
Man, let me tell y'all something, man. Some of your favorite YouTubers. Hey, man, that's all I'm saying.
Hey. Yeah, I'm gonna film real quick. I'm gonna hit y'all right back. Yeah, I'm gonna hit y'all right back. All right, so I told y'all, man, that's the squad right there, man. Like, when I tell y'all we are tight as all get out, man, like, it's no cap on how tight we are as a crew, man, because, like, I feel like that's the other thing. It's like, when you get into this space, man, you gotta have some people around you that really rock with y'all, man. And one of the things that I've noticed just being in this space is that there's not really a lot of people who genuinely actually care about your well-being, care about seeing you succeed. There's a lot of jealousy on YouTube, man, just to be completely transparent and all of that, man. So it's dope when you got a group of guys like that, man. And shout out to the squad, man. Man, them my guys, man. But y'all gonna see more of them, like I said, because the other thing that's also gonna be coming up here on the channel, and this is actually a great segue, is I'm gonna be talking about I'm gonna be going live, man. I'm gonna be going live a whole lot more here on the channel, man. You guys are literally about to see a hell of a lot of me, man, and it's gonna be a lot with those guys as well. We're gonna be doing a lot of game streaming and different things like that, man. And I'm bringing the live streams back, man. But I love how I had my live streams before, right? My live streams before, I felt like they was fire, man. I enjoyed them. You guys had a whole lot of fun with them, man. And I know, I felt like I was building that community, right? And then I'll be honest with you guys, man. It was one of those things where I felt like it was great content, but I didn't feel like it was the content of like how I really wanted to do it. So finally, like I said, I'm getting my M1 Mac Mini and everything, but finally I'm gonna be able to structure this thing how I personally really wanna do it. And it's gonna be even better than the last one, man. I'm telling y'all, if you was a part of the live stream.
What up, C Squad? Welcome now to this live show. Into this world where we talk about what you need to know. Every single Wednesday going down, make you get the woe. 7 p.m. Don't be late. Come in and say hello. Hey, I'm just trying to have fun. My peeps, you know the squad. Who like and comment every video and they show applause. Now this a free and safe zone where we can make the laws. Let's get this live stream popping and do this roll call. Squad.
Then I'm probably gonna link one of the live streams right here on the channel so you guys can actually see. It'll be linked down below if you haven't seen one of my older live streams and how that actually went. But it's gonna be even more fire than that one for sure, man. So definitely be on the lookout for that. So yeah, so let's see. We got the Creator Month that's coming up. I'm telling you guys about the live streaming that's gonna be coming up. There's gonna be 2 types of live streams, right? So there's gonna be live streaming that's gonna be like a weekly type of show type of thing. And then there's also gonna be the live streams when it comes to like me gaming and that type of stuff like that. Because I also wanna let you guys into that world, man, and just outside of tech, because I wanna start talking about more things outside of tech. It doesn't necessarily, everything doesn't necessarily have to be about Apple, Samsung, Google, or whoever that I may be actually, you know, reviewing products about. Now, is that going away? Absolutely not. Like, I'm a tech guy, so that stuff is not going away, but I do want to do something where I'm going to be letting you guys in more into my world. Like literally, like tomorrow, or Wednesday, right? Wednesday, I got a meeting with a company that's going to be in St. Louis that I'm meeting with, right? So I want to walk you guys through the journey of how my mind is when it comes to preparing for those things, right? So I literally scheduled a haircut because like underneath, I ain't even going to show y'all, but underneath this cap, whoo, it's rough underneath there. But in order for me to prepare for that meeting, you know what I mean, I got to make sure I'm looking presentable, you know, to the person, to whoever that I'm going to be potentially working with. So, you know, I gotta go call, schedule an appointment, get my hair cut, whatever. So I want to show you guys that full process and even taking you guys along with me because that's something you guys are also going to see on the channel. Like, I'm going to let you guys into what those meetings are like. And so that way you guys can see the full process of what it's like when you're working with these brands or working with companies and different things like that. And just kind of showing you the whole ins and outs of it, man, and being way more transparent on this channel than I have ever been. So this is what you guys can look forward to, man. And then also, very last thing that I have to mention to you guys, man, that I'm going to be doing is there will be a members section only. Now, in the beginning, I am going to be giving out the content or whatnot, but eventually there will be a members only section that's going to detail a whole lot. Now, I'm still working out all of the details because, like I said on one of my live streams, I'm basically going to be, I'm working out some legal things or whatever, because I don't want just my members for you guys to just sign up for something and then you're just getting content or whatever. Like, I want you guys to physically be getting things. So there's going to be t-shirts, there's going to be a whole thing, because for you guys that don't know, and a lot of things that I've been working behind the scenes, one of the things that I've been working on behind the scenes is I'm starting my own clothing line. Like, I'm not talking about like a Teespring t-shirt over here, or, you know, or some type of t-shirt, whatever. Like, I'm starting a legit clothing brand. So this is something, man, that it's been a challenge so far, but I'm learning along the way, man. I'm getting a lot of my legal paperwork done, working with my wife, who's a designer. She's handling a lot of the designs in itself. I'm working behind the scenes like crazy on the business aspect of it, and just kind of doing a whole lot of learning. And this is gonna be a journey that we gonna take on this whole thing together, man. Like, I'm literally thinking about flying out to LA here pretty soon to kind of work with the vendor that I'm looking at. So this is a real legit clothing brand. Like I said, this is not gonna be just a Teespring here and a Teespring there. No, I'm not doing none of that, because I want you guys to get quality, man, and I want you guys to be a part of the process and celebrate all of this with me. And being a part of the member squad or whatever, you guys are gonna be a part and be able to get some of that merchandise for free as part of your subscription. So this is all a lot of stuff that's coming, man. I know I'm throwing a whole lot at you guys, but in stages, everything is going to be planned out properly how it should be. So other than that, man, that's pretty much all I had for today. I'm literally still waiting on this freaking UPS truck to get here so I can continue creating some more content for you guys, as well as getting my dang on live streams back again. So other than that, man, thanks again for rocking with your boy, continuing rocking with me, man, because we still on that way to 100K subs, hopefully by the end of this year. I'm not even gonna say hopefully, we getting there by the end of this year. So other than that, man, see y'all, love y'all, and squad.